Hey. Fourth time. The devil, shut up! Oh, sorry. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it because my dad's a mean. My volcano. My volcano. I've been chopping all this desert once again. I'm going bridge of it. Like you didn't see it, she went like this. Right now?
Yeah.
You don't have no clothes on. This is my crappy belt. Yeah, it's my belt. Yeah. What's that? Right there. Like the screams I didn't understand. I'm gonna get some pants on in a minute. I got shorts on now. He's so cute. No. Not today, Wednesday. I'm just like, I'm new to this. I'm gonna bring my laptop to my mama friends. I'm making them stubby legs. Stubby legs. This is my person. I'm gonna take off his little leg. Don't deserve to have a mushy leg. I want him to have stubby legs. Debbie. Hold on 1 second. That's so funny.
How'd it go with her?
Sorry. Okay. Yeah. I'm making food fast. Stick thing. Now, I did watch credit cartridge videos and autos. And I watched Shadows after a biscuit squid. It's not even like biscuit squid, but it's eyeball squid. I can't say it. I'll just call him Squiddy. Squiddy Sunday. And I did watch the Animal Jam, and I loved her. She said, "Do you like to build a snowman?" No, he built a snowman. Yeah, I'm like a fan. I don't play Animal Jam, but I just think it's so cute. I am gonna get it if I know where to get it, like GameStop. It could be on laptop. I have no idea, but I'm planning to get my dress if I know it's ready. Stop. My little stick person will be a snowman. Oh my gosh, Kello, look at this. Mother, can you stop for 1 second? It's hilarious. show it. But goodbye. Oh no, let's get my keyboard. Yes, it'll say. But don't jam my game. My jam, my animal jam. Try that. Okay, that's pretty much all.